See what I'm doing? Alright. It's your boy Apollo, Snow Clones. And first day of summer, this is how it started off. I'm jerking the rain. Yeah! My little sister on the cam. You see her. She about to jerk for y'all too. And that's it. You bored. So, about to get off.
I have a message for you from Chowder.
What's that move? What's that move? What's that? What's that? What's that move? What's that move? What's that move? She a banger, ayy. Make a nigga wanna bang her, ayy. She on that pole, though. Got a nigga like, whoa, though. Everybody know I go hard. Y'all are close, so I am far. Everybody know I got bars. Y'all got some, but I got more. Go chain on my chest like damn. But it say damn, this dude go ham. Whoa, I know I'm the man. Not being cocky, but just as my fans. Yeah, you might not believe this. You're from Europe, that overseas ish. Your girlfriend really likes me, but I don't think you like me. What's that move? What's that move? What's that? What's that? What's that move? What's that move? Yes, I'm a beast, so I ain't gotta talk, I let it down to the waist. Damn, she got a dunk, yellow bone in the morning is all a nigga want. Everybody know my swag too official. Flowing like a river, I'm a ship shoot missile. Everybody know I am on. Not in the circus, but I am in the cloud. Nerd shades on, got me feeling like a school. Squeeze got a sag, girl, you looking like a fool. I got it wetter than a goddamn pool. I got it wetter than a goddamn pool. Yeah, you might not believe this. You're from Europe, that overseas ish. Your girlfriend really likes me, but I'm thinking he'd like me. What's that move? What's that move? What's that? What's that? What's that move? What's that move?
Shit! Oh no!
When I ripped my pants,
Oh no!
I thought that I had everybody on my side, but I went and blew it all sky.